Henan Forui Machinery Technology Company, Limited is founded in 1986. We are one of the leading suppliers of beneficiation process and equipments in Asia. After more than 30 years of hard work and innovation, we have developed into a leading professional manufacturer of mineral processing equipment in Asia. Our main business is gravity mineral processing about placer/alluvial gold ore, metal, non-metal, smelting slags, and waste, etc. We have advanced production equipment, perfect quality management system, considerate after-sales service, and good social reputation make the enterprise among the forefront of mining equipment manufacturing industry. The equipments we produce mainly includes mineral processing equipment, crushing and grinding equipment, screening equipment, or washing equipment, etc. Such as mineral jig, linear vibrating screen, trommel screen, log washer, spiral washer, trommel scrubber, roller crusher, and rod mill, etc. The industrial indicators of all types of equipment have reached national standards and obtained the ISO 9001 international certification. We are the partner that enables you to achieve more in the mineral processing industry. If you are interested in our equipment, please feel free to contact us.